Hi, Claudia here. Today I'm gonna make an expandable pocket for this album that I have been working. This is a Graphic 45 collection. I will show you the rest, but for now what I want to do is to make an expandable pocket for the cover, the back cover inside. So let's do it, and let me show you how I did it. So this is 11.5 by 8.25, and I started by this is going to be my flap, my cover flap. This is the pocket, and this is the one that goes in front. So it's 2, 5, and 4.5. And what I did 3 incision, because this is going to be the accordion that's gonna give the expandable on the envelope or pocket, expandable pocket. So, and each one is 1/4. So let's start by folding it. And when I finish, I will give a good crease to the fold. But for now, let's just fold it. So let's squeeze it a little bit. Let's fold this one too. Let's fold it back. And this is just a folder, craft folder. It's not a manila folder. Okay, so we're gonna keep this part, but this we're gonna cut it. So let's open it. And let's take my scissors here. We're gonna start with a little angle here, because we want to make sure that when we fold it, we can have it in. So how you doing? How's your week been going? Mine has been very, very busy. And I'm working in more of one project, and sometimes I cannot even think, but it's excited. Okay, we cut the first side. Let's cut the other side. Okay, this one is out. Let's round the corners. I think I only need to round. Let's do this to make sure. I'm gonna take just a little piece just to make sure that is okay. Now we're gonna do the corner here, 1 and 2. Let's take it away. And let's fold it here. It goes like this. This one goes like this. Let's make sure that I have, you know, folded straight. Here it is, our expandable pocket. And what I want to do is I want to glue this one in the back, because that way whatever space we get is going to be the full space. Okay, sometimes when you put the little flaps inside and you try to put something, it's gonna get stuck on it, and we don't want that. We want to have the whole part. And so maybe I should just cut a little bit more. You know, when especially me, when I cut by hand, it's like I do waves. I don't know why, but let's try to get it as straight as we can. And put it back in. And here, let me see. Here it's okay. And here, and let's get this. Let's push it in and squeeze it. And to make sure that it's gonna stay whatever we want it, now this one, we're gonna do the same here. We're gonna push it and we're gonna add some clips here. Just to make sure that we got it right. Okay, so now we need to let them dry a little bit. Let me give you a flip through to this. This is my cover that I haven't finished it. And so, isn't this beautiful? This is from Graphic 35. I think it's called French Garden. Not sure. And so I have to finish to decorate it, but I just want to show you what I'm doing. And show you how beautiful is the paper. It has the tab here, so I think those are plain pages, but I'm not sure. Oh, French Country is the name of the paper, the collection. Isn't the paper beautiful? Okay, so that's the album that I'm making. This one is to be here, to be placed here, but I have to wait until it's dry. And this is the front. But like always, I like to do the last, because you don't want to ruin the thing while you're going back and forth. And I need to think of something else that I'm gonna put it down there. And I don't know if I put it this way or the other way, but so this is the album for the pocket. Here is the pocket, and I will wait until it dry and come back. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.